Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick way to apply colors to your image using one adjustment layer, and it's going to be a really great way to kind of create a mood in your photos, an instant mood in your photos. So this is how we're going to do it. So we have this image here, and I want to make this look a little bit cooler because you can see there's obviously some ice there, and it's a little bit too warm. So what we're going to do is apply a solid color. So I'm going to go down here to my adjustment layer, and I'm going to choose solid color. And you're going to see that pops up a solid color picker box, and we have a solid color fill adjustment layer. So if I go over here, I'm going to choose kind of like a nice blue to make it a more cooler image. Let's choose this one right here. There we go. I'm going to click OK. And now what we're going to do is apply a blending mode. So I'm going to choose a blending mode right here. And I have a lot to choose from. I can actually scroll through and it'll do like a preview, but I'm going to choose overlay for this one. So as you can see, it really applies that kind of cool color effect that I want, but it's a little bit too neon. So I'm going to take the opacity down. I'm going to take the opacity down just a pretty good amount, maybe halfway right there, and you can already tell it blends in a lot better. I can play with the fill to see what that does. Kind of takes away a little bit of that saturation there, but this is kind of the look that I'm going for. So you can see just the before and after, but this is a very warm image. We applied that one quick effect, and now the mood of the image has changed, and now it's a much cooler image to match the scene. Hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial in Photoshop. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next video.